Hey YouTube, I know it's been a while since my last My Home fire alarm system, but it was worth it. Here I have a brand new Edwards pole station, and yes, it is a 270O SPO. It came with a brake rod, and in this video I'm going to be installing the brake rod, pulling it, and my alarm will sound in code 3. Here we go. I pre-opened it just because it's a pain, but to install it, there's this little handle that says lift, so you lift it up, and then while it's lifted, you go to the front and slide it into place through the little holes. Then the thing that says lift, you push, and then you close the station. It'll click. And one thing to note is that the glass is underneath this little handle here, so when you pull it, it'll smash the glass. And for it, I have a little bowl here to catch the glass because it breaks out instead of my Faraday station where it breaks in. So, yeah. Now that it's installed, here we go. And try to catch this here. So yeah, pulling a brake rod in code 3. I'm going to reset it. Now I'm silencing the panel's troubles here. Clearing the memory. This is a Silent Night 5204, by the way. And now at the station, all that I've done is open it, and this little switch here is the main part of the alarm. So I flipped it in the normal position, and now I push the handle back up and close it. Again, it snaps into place. Now notice for the brake rod here, instead of shattering, it just broke off into 2 small pieces, which is really convenient when you have to clean it up. But yeah, so that is how to install and break a brake rod in the Edwards 270O SPO.